Hey, let me ask you, have you ever thought about selling your home but worried you might get stuck moving twice? Yeah, it's more common than you'd think. The last thing anyone wants is to sell their house, pack up, and then have to crash at a friend's place while waiting for the next one to close. So, here's how I make sure that doesn't happen. First, I start with some planning. I talk to a great real estate agent, someone who knows the Houston market inside and out. They help me figure out the right time to list my home and how to align that sale with my next purchase. Next, I get pre-approved for my next mortgage early. That way, when I find a new place, I'm ready to move fast. No last-minute stress, no scrambling for paperwork. Then, I ask my agent about contingencies. It's a fancy word, but it just means I make my home sale depend on finding my next home first. This gives me some breathing room so I'm not rushed into buying something that isn't right for me. If the timing gets tricky, I look into short-term rental options, or even negotiating with the buyers for a leaseback. That lets me stay in my old home for a little while after closing, just long enough to get the keys to my new place. The main thing is, don't panic. With the right planning, a little flexibility, and some pro advice, you can sell your Houston home without living out of boxes twice. Save your energy for decorating your new place, not for another round of moving trucks. So if you're ready to make the move, do it smart. Your future self will thank you.